Now, after studying the how to form a Punnett square and a law of codominance, incomplete dominance, let us study that how two genes are inherited. Is it possible that only one gene is in monohybrid cross? Only one gene is visible in the F1 generation. What about the other genes? So is that the same rules are followed by the two genes or more than two genes? So for that, Mendel has experimented taking two genes together, means two characters, two pairs of contrasting characters he took and did an experiment. So the result is here that two genes can be inherited, but when we see this experiment, it will be clear that although that there were two genes, but they were independently they were showing their characteristics. So based on that, based on this experiment, what I will discuss, Mendel discussed law of independent assortment. Okay, the another law after the law of codominance and law of segregation, law of independent assortment, because if one gene is there, then it is easier to tell that this is dominant and over the other gene or the other allele. One allele is dominant over the other allele, not one gene is dominant over the other gene. Instead, we should say one allele is dominant over the other allele, means one allele is expressed. Then what about the inheritance of the two genes? Inheritance of two genes I am talking, not alleles, inheritance of two genes. Okay, so what are the two genes that is taken in this experiment? Here it is round yellow, okay, and wrinkled green. Round is one allele of the shape and color. The two genes, what are the two genes that are taken? What are the two genes that are taken? One gene is shape and the other gene is color. So in P generation, if round shape and color yellow, and if the other parent is wrinkled and with green wrinkled shape and green color, then the gametes that they produce and the phenotype, this they have the genotype is this type: capital R, capital Y, r, small y. The gametes they form are capital R, capital Y, r, small y. In F1 generation, as the resultant got round yellow, because from this it was found that okay, this round shape is dominant over wrinkled shape and yellow color is dominant over green color. ठीक है, so round and yellow are considered as dominant alleles on green and wrinkled allele. Now after selfing, as we did in monohybrid cross, selfing the gamete formation R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small y, like this gametes are formed. And selfing did means if from the female and the from male the same plant is taken of the same variety, if it is taken same type is taken, that round yellow type of plant, gametes, female gametes and the male gametes, here as the Punnett square is made, the result is with you. These are the yellow colored and round shape, round and yellow colored seeds are formed. Only one deep green color, this green color wrinkled and green color seeds are formed here. Green colored and wrinkled seeds are formed. Rest what about 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. These are grayish color. I have given the different color to find out that these are different. So here capital R is there, that means they are round in shape. But what about small y? They are green in color. Here small r is there, that means they are wrinkled but yellow. They are wrinkled, but they are having yellow color in shape. Their seed is yellow color in shape, color, round, sorry, wrinkled shape, yellow color. So in this way the phenotypic ratio has come: round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow and wrinkled green. 9:3:3:1. So based upon that, two laws were put forth. That is, one law is that independent assortment. You can see that although this round and yellow, they were found in the same plant here, and wrinkled and green were found on the same plant, but they were not linked together. It is not that round and yellow alleles will be linked together. No, whenever they will be allowed, they can be make, they are allowed to make any combination. They are allowed to make any combination. That round can be make combination with the small y, that is, round can make combination with the green allele, and wrinkled can make a combination with yellow color seed. So any type of combination can be seen in this experiment. So it was termed as law of independent assortment. Okay, law of independent assortment, it was found out. Next is chromosomal theory of inheritance. Also it was found, chromosomal theory of inheritance. Based on that, as Mendel could not, his work was not notified, but later in 1900, three scientists, De Vries, Correns and von Schirmark, they independently discovered Mendel's result on inheritance of characters, and it was known that some factors, what we are discussing, we were used to discuss, that were known as chromosomes. Okay, these chromosomes, and after that the chromosome movement during meiosis had worked out, and Walter Sutton and Theodore Bovard, behavior of chromosomes. Behavior of chromosomes, behavior of genes were later worked on, and we found out that how these genes they get separated from each other. ठीक है, at what time of cell division these genes get separated, these alleles get separated, and they make a new combination. We will discuss this in later class.